Tired of ramen noodles? Is your bank account emptier than a politician's promise? Listen up, because Picoworkers might be your ticket to financial freedom. Okay, maybe not freedom, but at least a steady supply of pizza. We're talking about making some serious cash, people. Imagine this, $300 a day. That's right, 3 Benjamins just for doing some simple tasks online. No, it's not a scam, and no, you don't need to sell your kidney. Though, on second thought, Picoworkers is the real deal, a platform where you can make money in your pajamas. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking for some extra dough, Picoworkers has something for you. So buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to dive deep into the wonderful world of Picoworkers and how you can make it your personal ATM. In a nutshell, Picoworkers is like the gig economy's version of a farmer's market. Businesses need stuff done, and you, my friend, are here to do it. For a small fee, of course. Think of it as a matchmaking service for digital tasks. You sign up, create a profile, and boom! You're presented with a smorgasbord of jobs to choose from. From liking social media posts to taking surveys to writing reviews, there's something for everyone. It's like a digital buffet, and you get to pick and choose the tastiest and most profitable morsels. The best part? You're your own boss. Work whenever you want, wherever you want. Just don't tell your cat I said that. They're already judging your work ethic. First impressions are everything, even in the digital world. Your Picoworkers profile is your online resume, so make it shine brighter than a disco ball. Start with a clear profile picture. And no, a selfie with your pet iguana doesn't count, unless it's wearing a tiny tuxedo, in which case carry on. Keep it professional, like you're applying for a job you actually want. Next up, write a killer bio. This is your chance to sell yourself like a used car salesman on a roll. Highlight your skills, your experience, and your undying love for making money online. Finally, don't forget to verify your account. It's like getting your driver's license for the internet, and it shows potential clients that you're the real deal. Section 4. Gig economy, glory, finding the moneymakers. Now for the fun part, making it rain. Picoworkers offers a variety of tasks, but some are more lucrative than others. Social media gigs are a good place to start. Liking, following, and sharing posts are easy ways to earn a quick buck. Plus, you can finally justify your social media addiction as market research. Surveys are another goldmine. Companies are dying to know what you think about their products, and they're willing to pay for your opinion. Just be honest, or don't, they'll never know. Writing reviews is where the real money's at. Channel your inner Shakespeare and craft eloquent masterpieces about everything from toasters to toothbrushes. Just remember, keep it real, unless you're reviewing a fictional product, in which case, let your imagination run wild. Section 5. Work smarter, not harder. Tips from a pro. Want to level up your Picoworkers game? Of course you do. Here are a few insider tips to help you maximize your earnings. 1. Time is money, friend. Set a schedule and stick to it. Treat it like a real job, but with better snacks and no dress code. 2. Be a taskmaster. Focus on high-paying tasks that you can complete quickly. No point in spending an hour on a task that pays pennies. 3. Quality over quantity. Don't rush through tasks just to make a quick buck. Do quality work, and you'll get better ratings and access to higher-paying gigs. 4. Become a creature of habit. Identify the best times to work. Some tasks are more plentiful during certain hours, so experiment and find your sweet spot. Section 6. Time to cash in. Your Picoworkers journey begins. So there you have it, folks. The path to financial enlightenment, or at least a slightly fatter wallet, is within your grasp. Picoworkers is your ticket to the land of online earnings. It's easy to use, flexible, and best of all, it pays you real money. No more excuses, people. It's time to ditch the ramen, fire up your laptop, and start earning some serious dough. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a Picoworkers empire. Be patient, be persistent, and most importantly, have fun. After all, what's the point of making money if you can't enjoy it? Now go forth and conquer the gig economy, you magnificent beast. I believe in you.